Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, today's Sunday. Yes, today's Sunday. So guess what? We're here with some gospel. Yeah, we're here with some gospel, man. Only love too much book and gun this and gun that. And binds. So today, we're there with 1mancha featuring Dawaid again. So before we done 1mancha reaction before, and we also done Dawaid's reaction before. So these two are father and son. If it's your first time hearing about them, go and check them out. I'll leave a link to this one in the description. This one is off of juggling. So on the juggling, it's like an old family on the juggling. So it is Dawaid is on the juggling, which is son. The father is on the juggling, which is 1mancha, and the brother, one of a kind, is also on the juggling. So brother, big up yourself. One of a kind, big up yourself, big up yourself. Hope I get to react to one of your songs them soon. So let's jump in this one and hear what 1mancha and Dawaid have to say in I Don't Care. Let's go. It's an official audio. It's not a video. It's an audio. All right, so let's go.
Once I was lost, but now I'm found.
The rhythm is called 8 Broken Rhythm. 8 Broken Rhythm. Let's go.
Turn it up, turn it up.
Today is Sunday. Let's go.
Turn it up. As I chart my journey, you know some me lose some friend. If you tell you the truth, you know I don't miss them. They never journey when it was just a pretend. Them only around for what you can do for them. And if
This are facts. This is not just for the Christian. This is for the worldly and them too. You have people in your life. Once you start change the way how you live, start change the way how you hang out, start try to better yourself. People around you who doesn't care and generally is not happy for you, them are go cut. So this is what the G has said.
As I chart my journey, you know some me lose some friend. If you tell you the truth, you know I don't miss them. They never journey when it was just a pretend. Them only around for what you can do for them. And
True.
if you tell them no, you don't see them again. Friend build friend, not tear down friend. Me tell
Correction, 1mancha. You see some of them people here? If you do 99 good for them, you and them good. You see this, the minute you tell them say you can't do one thing for them, them no one know you again. Facts. Facts.
miss them. They never journey when it was just a pretend. Them only around for what you can do for them. And if you tell them no, you don't see them again. Friend build friend, not tear down friend. Me take me one eye, I see them with me enemy them. I give me 3 + 2.
I don't care who I hate.
Yeah, the bad boy, sir.
Who don't rate me as long as my ways are pleasing to God.
Man, him not care who rate him. Who him not care. Him not business what you want to think about him. As long as him ways is pleasing to God. He's living to please the Lord. Him not live to please mankind. So all who don't like him, take for yourself. Take for yourself. Dawaid I said that. Yeah, that's what he said, not me. Yeah, you see the shirt. Yeah.
Who I hate me, who don't rate me as long as my ways are pleasing to God. I am okay. I am okay.
Definitely.
Give me 3 + 2.
I don't care who I hate me, who don't rate me as long as my ways are pleasing to God.
Like this, man.
I am okay. I am okay.
They put me trust in a friend already. And them let me down like a tree root. They want me still underground. Throw me a right.
Put me trust in a friend already and them let me down. Like the tree root to the under the ground, it down. Remember remember the tree root go down, you know. The root of the tree go down. So I must say them let me down like the tree root under the ground. Comparison, but
I am okay.
They put me trust in a friend already. And them let me down like a tree root. They want me still underground. Throw me a rise to the top. They want me tumble down. But my God always with me. But I'm still a boss leader. Them are the student. Them want to take me life because I'm so prudent. Any seed where you sow, then you shall reap. But you're damn greedy. Go and have your feast.
any seed where you sow, you shall reap. But because you just say because you're damn greedy, go and have your feast, man. Go and have your feast, man. The Lord have a plan for you, you see? He have a plan for you. Watch and see.
But I'm still a boss leader. Them are the student. Them want to take me life because I'm so prudent. Any seed where you sow, then you shall reap. But you're damn greedy. Go and have your feast. You know your 3 plus 3 plus F plus D.
You know your 3 plus 3 plus F plus D. Yeah, 6. 3 plus 3 are 6. I'm saying.
Take me life because I'm so prudent. Any seed where you sow, then you shall reap. But you're damn greedy. Go and have your feast. You know your 3 plus 3 plus F plus D.
I don't care.
3 plus 3 plus F plus D. Okay, alright, me get it.
Have your feast. You know your 3 plus 3 plus F plus D.
I don't care who hate me, who don't rate me, as long as my ways are pleasing to God. I am okay. I am okay.
Friend, I give me 3 plus 3 plus 2.
I don't.
Friend, I give me 3 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 3 plus 2 are 8. Friend, I come can check. You want me to pump pint? Man's class. 3 plus 3, 8. You deaf?
Pleasing to God.
Friend, I give me 8 trick. Friend, I 8 me. That's how I must say.
I'm okay.
Friend, I give me 3 plus 3 plus 2.
I don't care who hate me, who don't rate me, as long as my ways are pleasing to God. I am okay. I am okay.
Turn it up, could I did already, but I'm still alive. Been through many battles, but I'm still around. All the trap what you said couldn't hold me down. This
Chap we said couldn't hold me down. Before that him say I could have dead already, but guess what? I'm still around, I'm still there. You know, the Lord have a plan for me, and it's not for me to go 6'6" yet, just yet. No. Me have work to do on this land, and that is what I'm gonna do. That is what 1mancha said, not me.
I am okay.
turn it up, could I did already, but I'm still alive. Been through many battles, but I'm still around. All the trap what you said couldn't hold me down. It's not my luck, save me. It's only my faith.
A man say, no luck save him, my faith. I no luck save him, so I don't want to feel say luck. No, it's my faith, it's my belief. Yeah? My religion. That is what the G is saying, not me.
Luck save me. It's only my faith. It's only Almighty. Yeah. God will conquer your fear. So no weapon that rise against you come near you. Yeah. Turn it up. It's only my
I don't care who hate me, who don't rate me, as long as my ways are pleasing to God. I am okay. I am okay. I don't care
But
who hate me, who don't rate me, as long as my ways are pleasing to God. I am okay. I am okay.
yo, David, me like your voice, bro. I swear to God. Your voice bad, bro. Your voice bad. And it's gonna get stronger and more powerful as you get older, cause you're only just 14 years old, bro. And your voice your voice is very, very, very sweet to the ears, bro. And it's like I said, it's gonna get stronger, more powerful as you go along, bro. As you get older. 1mancha, this one sound good. Me like this one. I think me can hands down said this. Out of the 3 when me do so far, they're one of my favorite. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Out of the 3 when we do so far, this one is my favorite. Yet from No Mother No Father to Dawaid one yesterday, I forgot what it's called. What's Dawaid called? What's Dawaid one called again? Let me see if I can find it and tell you the name of it. It's on the channel anyway. It's gonna be linked just a moment above my head, so you can go watch it. And it's gonna link. The other 2 reaction is gonna be linked above my head, so you can go watch them. 1mancha, big up yourself. Like I said, guys, this one is been the whole production is 1mancha and his son. So big up them. And also big up one of a kind, brother. You understand? Big up brother, one of a kind. So this nice. Me like this. A link is gonna be left on the flat for this one. Please go and check it out, guys. Tell them say JAMAICA'S game. I said, you know, Bezibi, Big up 14-year-old Dawaid. Your voice bad. Yes, yes. And also 1mancha, you play upon words with the 4 plus with the 3 plus 3 plus 2 and the 3 plus 3 plus RD. But we like it, we like it, we like it, we like it. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed that one, please remember to drop a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you. I'll see you, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.